Hi guys, hope you all are great. Welcoming in Axosecurity weekly video Toolnight. In this videos we show how we can install important tools in Linux and Windows system, and I am Axosolaman from Axosecurity, so let's get started.
In this video I will fix major issue that every Linux user has faced. I'm using newest Kali Linux in Vmware, so let's get started. I had used the easiest way for fixing this error.
Tell me pretty lies,